Hello folks, welcome back. This is Samo from San Diego, California. Let's give this geometry triangle equation a shot. In the figure below, n is a whole number. What is the smallest possible value for n? If you want to try this on your own, go ahead and hit the pause button, try it on your own, and then we'll try it together. I hope you tried it on your own. Now we're going to do it together. What this is really testing is the theory that the sum of two sides always has to be greater than any third side. So for example, in this, if you look at that point there and that point there, what is the shortest distance between those 2 points? It would be a straight line. It would be that line right there. So that's the shortest distance between those 2 points, and that is 15. The sum of those two other lines must be greater than 15. So the distance from here to there plus the distance from there to there must be greater than 15. So then that first side, that distance is n, and the second side, that distance is n. So n plus n must be greater than 15, or 2n must be greater than 15. 2n must be greater than 15. You divide 2 to each side. N must be greater than 7.5. So now n has to be greater than 7.5. And what it's saying here is n is a whole number. And what is the smallest possible value for n? So if n has to be greater than 7.5, if you look at the answer choices, obviously it can't be 1. 1 would be too small. If you went up 1 and down 1, that's 2. And 2 is a lot smaller than 15. So that's not physically possible. A is out. B, 7, that comes close, but that's just under 7.5, so it can't be that small. So B is out. C is the correct answer. And if we go back to our triangle, and if n is 8, you go up 8, and then you go down 8, which is 16, and that is longer than 15. If we go back to D on this, D says 14. Now, in theory, n can be 14, because 14 plus 14 is 28, which is bigger than the third side of 15. But the question here is asking for the smallest possible value for n. So 8 is the correct answer. If you subscribe, you can see more of these. I'm going to make some more and put them on the site. If you have any particular ones that you're having a problem with, put it in the comments and I'll try to do those as well. Thank you so much.